Welcome to our channel. Today we are diving into a comparison of two innovative countertop dishwashers from AIRMSEN. On one side, we have the AIRMSEN Countertop Dishwasher A01, known for its larger capacity and advanced features. On the other side, we have the AIRMSEN Portable Countertop Dishwasher, which is compact and budget-friendly. Let's see how they stack up against each other. When it comes to price, the AIRMSEN Countertop Dishwasher A01 is priced at $399, making it the more expensive option. In contrast, the AIRMSEN Portable Countertop Dishwasher is available for $359, offering a more budget-friendly choice for those looking to save money. This price difference can be a significant factor for many consumers. In terms of features, the AIRMSEN A01 offers a variety of 6 wash programs, including specialized options like baby care and delicate. It also includes a 12-hour delay start feature and a more powerful drying function. On the other hand, the AIRMSEN portable model has 5 wash programs and lacks the delay start feature, making it less versatile. If you value additional features, the A01 is the clear winner. Noise level is another important consideration. The AIRMSEN A01 operates at 56 decibels, which may be noticeable in quieter environments. Conversely, the AIRMSEN Portable Countertop Dishwasher is quieter at 50 decibels, making it a better option for those sensitive to noise. If a peaceful kitchen environment is a priority for you, the portable model may be the better choice. In conclusion, both AIRMSEN dishwashers have their strengths and weaknesses. The A01 offers more features and greater capacity, while the portable model is quieter and more affordable. Your choice will depend on your specific needs and kitchen space. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.